Hey, I'm really excited today to finally open up this April by BST AXN. Been waiting for her for a while. I pre-ordered her and it took an extra month, and plus it's already like 6 months after it comes out. It comes to Canada, and I've been wanting her since I seen her online a while ago. Yeah. I love opening BST AXN because they're really easy to open. A good looking figure. She's pretty skinny, but yeah, looks a lot like she did in the cartoon, but an alternate head. I don't know which one I like better, probably the normal one, but then this one has like life to it. Awesome. Got some extra hands. They always come with a sticker, but some holding stuff hands, and looking at your nails hand. Maybe that's also a holding hand or something. And like a slapping hand or just like an open hand. Plus these other awesome accessories. She's got a headset. That's cool. It fits on her over her hair. I don't know how she'd hear through all that hair, but it does go on her. Could have been a little bigger. It looks a little funny. Maybe she just wears it around her neck. Not really. Cool. But now, I guess it goes back into place. It's flexible. That's cool, but it doesn't look great on her because of her hair. Awesome accessory, but I'm not going to use it on her. I'll maybe use it on someone else. Here, Casey. It's a little better. Not really. This microphone, little channel 6 microphone, that's awesome. Camera, because she's reporting on stuff, so you need a camera. But yeah, that's a great little camera accessory. Easy to change the hands. They all have like 27 points of articulation, I think is the BST AXN thing. This goes around and the elbow goes up and down. Double elbow so she can scratch her ear, I guess, or hold the microphone right to her face. Goes in her hand, easy. The label has to face the camera. Yeah, that's awesome. She has a gun just in case, but did she ever have a gun in the cartoon? Maybe. I don't remember that. And yeah, the camera. It's got a holding hand. Casey can be the cameraman. His hands are a little wider, but it still gets in there. You can film her. And I have Mikey here. I made the pants and the hat, but that's the street style BST AXN turtle. They're my favorite BST AXN turtles. Haven't been able to get the IDW ones yet. One day I'll probably get them. I like this head. Can't see her when she's facing that way. But yeah, awesome accessories. I don't know who will get these. They need a really small head for them to fit properly. So without the hair, it would fit on her good. Or well. Extra hands. Yeah, super happy to have her in my BST AXN collection. I'm gonna have some more slasher stuff. No, that hasn't come out yet. It's a good start to October, but my whole October is already planned to be a different line of turtles, and they're gonna be scary. So that'll be coming up Saturday, and until then, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.